According to the Boussinesq theory, the vertical stress at a point below the surface of a semi-infinite homogeneous isotropic soil mass due to a point load Q applied at the ground surface is given by the equation. Ang tinutukoy dito na equation ay ito. So ito yung equation para sa vertical stress. And ito naman yung equation para dito sa n, sa variable n. Ang horizontal distance of the point from the vertical line of application of the load, ito yung R. R natin dito ay yung horizontal distance. And ito namang Z ay yung depth of point below the ground surface. So ito yung tinatanong, evaluate the vertical stress in kilopascal at a point below the ground for Q. Q natin dito is 2,500 kilonewton. So, ang problem na ito ay isang situational problem and binigyan tayo dito ng tatlong situation. So, sa part 1 is, if the point is 3 meters directly below the point of application of the load. Part 2 is if the point is 6 meters directly below the point of application of the load. Part 3 is if the point is 6 meters below the load but 3 meters horizontally from its line of application. Assalamualaikum. Ang problem natin for today ay mula sa book na Licensure Exams for Civil Engineering by Bisabilia. Ang problem na ito ay isang past board problem na lumabas noong April 2024 and November 2016. Makikita din natin ang problem na ito sa book ni Engineer Gilisanya. So ito ang kanyang book na Civil Engineering Reference Volume 5. Ang problem naman ay makikita natin sa April 2023. So, kung mapapansin natin, pareho lang sila ng problem, pareho ng given, and pareho din ng answer. So, for this video, ito muna yung gagamitin natin na reference. And sasagutin natin itong mga katanungan na ito at the end of our video. So, sige, let's continue. Vertical stress. Ang formula para dito ay ito. Ito yung binigay na equation. So, dito sa problem na Boussinesq is binibigay talaga yung mga equation. So, ang equation ng n ay ito. So, dito sa part 1, yung R natin dito is walang value. So, kumbaga, hindi binigay sa atin or walang binigay na horizontal distance. So, that means, ang R natin dito ay 0. So, for example, ito ang ating soil. And ito naman ang ground surface. Ito naman yung point na kung saan dito yung applied application. So, applied application, applied load is 2,500 kilonewton. And ito naman yung line of action itong load or itong force. And ang tinatanong sa atin is yung vertical stress at this point at the depth of 3 meters. So, 3 meters yung depth nito. Yung distance nito up to this point. So, ito lang yung binigay. Depth lang, walang horizontal. So, kung ang R natin is 0, so that means 0 na ito. So, kung 0 ito, ang matitira na lang is 1. And 1 raised to the power of any number is equal to 1 pa rin. And 1 over 1 is 1. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Ang ibig sabihin niyan is kapag ang R natin is 0, mathematic na yan na ang ating n is equal to 1. Vertical stress is 132.5 kilonewton per square meter. So, 1 kilonewton per square meter, this is equal to kilopascal. Okay, proceed tayo sa part 2. Part 2 is same pa rin yung problem. The only difference is magmula dito sa 3 meters na depth, mas lalo pinalalim pa. So, naging 6 meters yung depth. And ito yung point. Kukunin natin dito yung vertical stress at this point at the depth of 6 meters. So, ganun pa rin, yung horizontal distance natin ay 0. Wala pa rin. Only depth. So, vertical stress natin is ito yung formula. So, 0 ang ating R. So, that means, ang N natin is 1. Okay, vertical stress is 33.125 kilopascal. Ito ang ating final answer sa part 2. Proceed naman tayo sa part 3. Sa part 3 is same given sa part 2. Pero this time ay meron na siyang horizontal distance. So, ang depth niya is 6 meters. And then, ang horizontal distance niya is 3 meters. Horizontal distance niya from the vertical line of action. So, ito siya. So, magmula dito, 3 meters. So, nandito ang ating pressure. So, ito yung vertical pressure, vertical stress at the depth of 6 meters and 3 meters horizontal. So, vertical stress natin ay vertical stress natin ay 18.95 kilopascal. And ito ang ating final answer. Okay, sasagutin natin yung situational problem na ito. Sa part 1, ang answer natin is 132.5 kilopascal. So, yan. So, number 49, ang sagot natin dito is 33.125. So, ito, 33.13. And sa last number is 18.95 yung nakuha natin. So, sagot natin dito will be ay itong 18.96 kilopascal. So, yun, problem solved mga tol, and see you again sa ating next problem. Insha'Allah. Assalamualaikum.